Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate and manage apps and add-ins in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your emails and productivity tools. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft credentials if you haven't already. After logging in, wait for your inbox to fully load so you can see all your emails and folders on the screen. Now, to integrate and manage apps and add-ins in Outlook, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where your quick access toolbar is located. This toolbar gives you fast access to various Microsoft Office applications and features. Look for the More Apps icon in this menu and click on it. This icon typically appears as a grid or collection of dots and opens up additional app options that aren't immediately visible in your main toolbar. Once you click on More Apps, a window will appear showing you related Microsoft Office applications. Take a moment to browse through these options as they include various productivity tools that can enhance your Outlook experience. At the bottom of this window, you'll notice an Add Apps button. Click on this button and you'll be redirected to the Microsoft app page where you can explore and add new integrations to your Outlook account. After the app page loads, you'll see several applications available for integration with Microsoft Outlook. These apps range from project management tools to design platforms, all designed to work seamlessly within your email workflow. For this example, let's say you want to integrate Canva, the popular design tool. Scroll through the available apps and look for Canva. Once you find it, click on it to open more details. A small app overview window will appear on your screen, providing information about what Canva does and how it integrates with Outlook. At the top of this window, you'll see an Add button. Click this button to add Canva to your Microsoft Outlook. The integration process will begin, and within moments, the app will be available for you to use directly within Outlook. Now, let's talk about managing your apps and add-ins. This is important because over time, you might want to review which apps you're using and remove any that are no longer necessary. Look at the bottom left part of the app page, and you'll see an option that says Manage Your Apps. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page displaying a list of all the installed and added apps in your Outlook account. On this management page, you'll see each app listed with its name and icon. Next to each app, you'll notice a corresponding three-dot button. This button gives you access to management options for that specific app. Click on the three dots next to any app and a small context menu will appear. From this menu, you can choose to view the app's details to learn more about its features and settings, or you can simply remove it from your Outlook if you no longer need it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate new apps into Microsoft Outlook and manage your existing add-ins. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.